Welcome to Miami, a city of endless possibilities. This vibrant city is home to some of the best foods, nightlife, and culture in the world. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite spots in Miami, from world-renowned restaurants to hidden gems. We'll start with the food. Miami has a diverse culinary scene, with restaurants serving everything from Cuban cuisine to fresh seafood. Some of my top picks include Joe's Stone Crab. This iconic restaurant has been serving up delicious stone crab since 1913. The Forge. This steakhouse is known for its dry-aged steaks and classic cocktails. Casa Tua. This Italian restaurant is a favorite among celebrities and locals alike. Komodo. This Asian fusion restaurant is known for its creative dishes and vibrant atmosphere. After dinner, we'll head out to some of Miami's hottest nightclubs. Some of my favorites include Live. This nightclub is known for its celebrity guests and over-the-top parties. Story. This nightclub is known for its electronic music and vibrant atmosphere. Waynwood Walls. This outdoor art installation is a must-see for any art lover. Bayfront Park. This waterfront park is a great place to relax or people watch. That's just a taste of what Miami has to offer. Visit the Biscayne Museum and Gardens. This stunning estate was once the winter home of businessman James Deering. The museum houses a collection of European art and artifacts, and the gardens are a lush oasis in the heart of Miami. Explore Little Havana. This vibrant neighborhood is home to a large Cuban-American community. Here you can find authentic Cuban food, shops, and cultural attractions like the Cuban Museum of Arts and Culture. Go shopping in Miami Beach. The Design District is a great place to find high-end fashion and art. Lincoln Road is a pedestrian-only street with shops, restaurants, and bars. And of course, no trip to Miami would be complete without visiting the famous Ocean Drive, where you can see Art Deco architecture and people watch. Take a boat tour of Biscayne Bay. This is a great way to see the city from a different perspective. You can also see some of Miami's famous landmarks, like the Miami Beach Marina and the Port of Miami. Visit the Everglades National Park. This is a unique ecosystem that is home to a variety of wildlife, including alligators, crocodiles, and birds. There are a number of ways to explore the park, including hiking, biking, and boat tours. Go to the beach. Miami is known for its beautiful beaches, so no trip would be complete without spending some time at the sand and surf. Some of the most popular beaches include Miami Beach, South Beach, and Key Biscayne. Visit the Miami Seaquarium. This aquarium is home to over 5,000 marine animals, including dolphins, sharks, and sea turtles. You can take a behind-the-scenes tour, watch a dolphin show, or even swim with the dolphins. Go on a bike tour. There are a number of bike tours available in Miami, which is a great way to see the city and get some exercise. You can take a tour of the Art Deco District, Little Havana, or even the Everglades. Visit the Perez Art Museum Miami PAM. This contemporary art museum is located in the heart of downtown Miami. The museum houses a collection of over 3,000 works of art, and it also hosts a number of temporary exhibitions throughout the year. Take a day trip to Key West. Key West is a charming island town located about 160 miles from Miami. The town is known for its laid-back atmosphere, its historic district, and its beaches. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I encourage you to check out this amazing city for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And don't forget to check out my other videos about other cities, including my guide to the best restaurants and bars, and my list of the top 10 things to do in other cities around the world. Thanks for watching. Visit Miami today and experience all that this city has to offer.